tensions are flaring again in the Hindi-Marathi language row with sharp exchange between MNS chief Raj Thackeray and BJP MP Nishikant Dubey. Now, in the latest war of words, Dubey took swipe at Raj Thackeray, claiming that he taught him Hindi. And this was in response to Raj's fiery threat at a rally in Mira Bhayandar. Now, this is where he lashed out at Dubey over his remarks against Marathis. Now, the MNS chief warned, and I quote, "Dubey, come to Mumbai, you will be drowned in the sea and killed here." Listen in.
मराठी लोगों को हम यहाँ पे पटक पटक के मारेंगे. झाली का केस त्याच्यावरती हिंदी चॅनल वाल्यांनी दाखवलं का? पुढे चालवलं का? काही नाही. बघा कसं असतात, कशा असतात ते बघा. तू आम्हाला पटक पटक के मारणार. दुबे दुबेला मी सांगतो, दुबे तुम मुंबई में आ जाओ. मुंबई के समुद्र में डूबे डूबे कर मारेंगे.
But Dubey has stood his ground. He defended his earlier "patak patak ke marenge" remark, saying it was a reaction to Raj Thackeray's threats against non-Marathi speakers.
मराठी का हम सम्मान करते हैं, मराठाओं का सम्मान करते हैं. परिवार राज ठाकरे और उद्धव ठाकरे से पता चलता है कि महाराष्ट्र जो है वो हिंदुस्तान का पार्ट नहीं है. हिंदुस्तान का यदि पार्ट है तो कोई कहीं जाके बस सकता है. पूरे देश में मारवाड़ी है. मजबूरी है कि मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में.
This war of words was sparked by Dubey's July 7th statement, where he warned, without naming Raj, "Tumko patak patak ke marenge," daring the boss of Maharashtra to step outside the state.
मोदी आप में ज्यादा हिम्मत है, तो हिम्मत है तो आप हिंदी भाषी को मारते हो तो उर्दू भाषी को भी मारो, तमिलियन को भी मारो, आप जो है तेलुगु वाले को भी मारो. आप जो इस तरह की घटिया हरकत कर रहे हो, और मैंने हमेशा कहा है कि जब अपने घर में हो, महाराष्ट्र में हो, यदि बहुत बड़े बॉस हो तो चलो बिहार, चलो उत्तर प्रदेश, चलो तमिलनाडु, तुमको पटक पटक के मारेंगे. ये अनार्की जो है नहीं चलेगी. मजबूरी है कि मोदी जी.
Now, the language row in Maharashtra has taken a sharp turn with personal attacks now coming in from leaders. MNS chief Raj Thackeray and BJP MP Nishikant Dubey both exchanging very sharp words, with Dubey latestly saying that "patak patak ke marenge," and then Raj Thackeray also responding to that, saying, "Dubey, come to Mumbai, you will be drowned in the sea and killed here." Very strong words coming in from both the leaders. Now, Dubey has defended his statement, saying that it was a remark to Raj Thackeray's threats against non-Marathi speakers in Maharashtra. And this war of words that is continuing between the two leaders essentially was sparked by Dubey's first statement, the one that he made on July 7th. He had warned the leader without naming anyone. He said, "Tumko patak patak ke marenge," and he dared the boss of Maharashtra to step outside the state, essentially threatening him, that come outside of the state and see what we'll do with you. And in response to that, now Raj Thackeray also made a very strong statement, saying, "Come to Mumbai and you will be drowned into the sea."